Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the crude price has moved in the last 2 days and how the crude price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the price, what we can see, the crude is continuously on the upside. Okay, after making a low of around 78, okay, that is which is a very strong support, and I have already told you that the price is, because 77 is a strong support, so chances will be very high that it will not touch at this level. Okay, and it will take it as a strong support. Okay, so that is why it has moved upside. Okay, as of now, because a particular range is break upside, so there is a probability that this is a very strong support, so chances will be very high that it can bounce back from this level. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding crude, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in crude is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description. Please watch the you can join. See, now look at the price. A trend is in upside here. Okay, if we look at the trend from November 4, see, made a red candle is made with a strong support coming at around 77.96, 78.16. Okay, if the price sustain this level, now trade 83, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 84.58, and once this level is touched, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 84.99. okay, and once this level is touched, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 85.41. or suppose if the price goes above a level of 85, then we can see there is a probability it can go further upside. Okay, for further upside I will tell you some, if you can check my previous video also. I have already told you that if the price goes above a level of 85, you can check it can will be a chances that it can go and touch a level of 86.4 also, and chances are it can go and touch a level of 87 also. Okay, so now suppose if it goes above a level of 85.41, then keep this as a stop loss, and you can keep rolling your keep trailing your positions. Okay, and for the long term investors, I would suggest that keep looking at the price action, then you will understand how to invest, and keep trailing your stop loss. That is very important. Okay, not in it's like if you are holding for a longer position. Okay, now suppose if the price then follow this position, and if it comes down, then chances will be very high it can go and touch a level of 83.23, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 82.61. okay, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 81.99, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 81.75. okay, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 81.13. suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 80. okay, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 79.51. okay, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 78.40. okay, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 76.78. okay, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 75.54. okay, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 74.80. okay, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 73.93, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 72.5. as of now I am telling you, because the position, because if it goes below a level of 78, then only we can see there can be a fall in the price of crude. Otherwise we can see some more bullish trend in the crude. As of now, we can see a strong support coming at around 81.88. okay, and the next support, if it coming at around 80.01, and if it goes more below this level, then the next support we can see is coming at around 79.5, and from there we can see it is coming at around 76.91. okay, 76. If it goes below this level, then we can see their chances are it can go further low. Okay, but suppose if the price So what you have to understand here, if the price goes below a level of 82.24, then we can see it can go to a level of 81.5, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go a level of 80.26, or then it can go to a level of 78.15. okay, but if you look at the trend on a longer view, for a up, if it goes above this side, you see, look at the chart from 1986, we have not seen, see, look at this particular zone, okay, and then from there we have seen from 03 to a level of 08, we have seen the rise in the price of crude so much, and the rise was around 147. okay, as of now we can see a continuous rise, and this range has break. okay, so what we can see, if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 87.10 also, and from there we can see it can go further upside to a level of 89 also. okay, so what I can see here in looking at the chart, we are on the upside of the, if the price stays above 83, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 86 also, and from there it can go to 87 and 88 also. So hope you like the video. Any doubt, you can mail me. okay, and you can check my previous video also, where I have told you that if the price goes upside. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.